Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today I had a question about somebody had a file and they had one of these views missing, family. So if I mentioned in the property, so here you want to go and say section. Then you got this pull down and he's got just building section, okay? And he wants to have the wall section. So what happened here is in your file, might have got purged out or something. So I'm gonna show you how to do this quickly here. So, I mean, this shouldn't be happening. It probably is purged out, but I'm gonna show you how to do this. So you wanna go open a new file, new project here. And I'm gonna go with the residential. Okay. Okay, here. Now I'm gonna just window tile these two. So this one is the file where we have the missing section, wall section view. This one here. You go into section. By the way, please subscribe to the channel. I don't get a lot of questions like this. And see, there's no wall section here. There's only building section. But let's go into our other file here, our new one. Now this should, if you just open a new file and then go into that one and just say view, section. So there's the wall section in this file. So to fix this, all you got to do is, you could have just opened a new file, but let's just bring it across to this one. So we'll go to our Manage tab. And we'll do a Transfer Project Standards. Project Standards, and we want to go from 2 to 1. Yeah, from copy from Project 2. And down here, you'll see tags. Well, I'm going to be lazy. I'm too lazy to look. I'm going to just check all of them. Click OK. Could have just picked the building section and whatever, but I'm just lazy today. So now we're in this file, and we're going to go section. There's our building section. Uh-oh. I don't see my wall section here yet. Let's see. Interesting. It didn't come across. Let's try it one more time here. Let me see. Wait a minute. This is project. Which one is this? 1. Okay. So this is 2. So I'm going to go again. I'm going to go actually to it now. Manage tab. Transfer project standards. Copy from 1. No. I'm going to copy from 2. Nope. Okay. This is what we got going here. You just got to make sure you're in the right drawing. So this was 2. And this is 1. So I'm going to go in here and I want to copy. I want to copy from 2. Yep. And then I want to go down here. See if I can find them. Making me a liar here, I think, huh? Sticks. Section tag types. Okay, yeah, they are there. I'm going to just check none. And then I'm going to go and just check. No, I'll check them all. No, I'm going to check just the sections. Okay, I'll check them all because okay, this is what I missed last time. Okay, we're gonna go with new only. I probably should have just overwrote them all. And now we should have it. Here's my building section. Wow. Or you can do this. Another thing you can do is, let me try this. And then I'm going to lay this alone. Because this was a tough one for me, I have to admit. Never had this problem before. So here we got our building section and a wall section. So here you go, put it here. And I'm going to see if I can cut and paste it in there. So I'll go collect it. Copy to a clipboard here. Then jump in this file. Modify and paste. Okay. Now it's in there. So now we'll go into our, for this one, let's go section. And there it is, wall section. So yeah, you just have to go up on another file and cut and paste it in. So hey, sorry it took me so long on that one. That was a little tricky one. I couldn't figure it out. But what I did, I purged it out because that's what happened to yours. Somebody probably purged it out. And you can just cut and paste it in and then you see like there it is. It's in there now. So if you go to section, there's your wall section and building section. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe and have a good one. Bye.